Okay, now second one, 5.15 b, x equals to 3, lambda will be 4. Again we will put the formula firstly. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. This time lambda is 4 raised to 3 into e raised to minus 4 upon 3 factorial. So this is your e table. This time we want the e raised to 4. So here the value will be 0.0183. 4 raised to 3 into 0.0183 upon 6. So the answer will be 0.1952. C. P of x less than or equals to 2, lambda equals to 2.2. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. So here x less than or equals to 2 is given. So we want the p x less than or equals to 2. So p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. All three things we will calculate and then sum up the things. P of 0 equals to 2.2 raised to 0 into e raised to minus 2.2 upon 0 factorial. Then p of 1, 2.2 raised to 1 into e raised to minus 2.2 upon 1 factorial, and p of 2, 2.2 raised to 2 into e raised to minus 2.2 upon 2 factorial. So 2.2 raised to 0, so its value will be 1 into e's value we will check it out, and 0 factorial is also 1. So only we will require the value of the e raised to 2.2. So the value of the 2.2 is 0.1108. Now 2.2 into 0.1108 upon 1. It is 0.24376. It is 4.84 into 0.1108 upon 2. So it is 0.2681. So the final answer will be, we will make a total of 0.1108, 24376 and this one. So the answer is 0.622. Now D, x equals to 0, lambda will be 1.2. P of x equals to 0, lambda equals to 1.2. P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. 1.2 raised to 0 into e raised to minus 1.2 upon 0 factorial. So you know that if 1.2 raised to 0, its value will be 1 and 0 factorial is also 1. So we will check it out, this value 1.2. See, the value is 0.3012. 0.3012. So answer is 0.3012. Next E. P of x equals to 1, lambda equals to 5. So P of x equals to lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. Five raised to 1 into e raised to minus 5 upon 1 factorial. So 5 into e's value, we will check it out and divide with 1. 5.0, 0.0067, 0.0067. So the answer is 0.0335. Next F. P 3x 6, lambda equals to 3.4. It means you have to calculate P of 4 plus P of 5. So firstly P of 4, lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. 3.4 raised to 4 into e raised to minus 3.4 upon 4 factorial. Same with the P of 5, lambda raised to x into e raised to minus lambda upon x factorial. 3.4 raised to 5 into e raised to minus 3.4 upon 5 factorial. So it's 133.6336 into value of the 3.4. It's 0.0334. 0.0334 upon 24. It's 454.35424 into 0.0334 upon 120. So it's 0.12646. It's 0.18597. So we will make a total 0.18597 plus 0.12646. So answer is 0.31243.